everyone, it's Daniela from Accelerate Tutoring coming to you again with tip number 5 for how to keep your family and yourself reading this summer. So when you're planning for this summer's reading, make sure that you include yourself in that planning. Now, you don't want to be that person at the party, right? When you go to a party and there's somebody sitting there not enjoying, right? Being all bored. No, you want to be part of the party, right? You want to be there too. So think about something that you might want to learn this summer. What are the things that interest you? And include some of those books in those bins that I talked about in the first video, right? So you can buy a book, you can get it from the library, and you're going to be part of that party. And what's the best part of a party? The dessert, the cake, the ice cream, right? So we want to make sure that we celebrate. After your family has accomplished a goal of maybe 5 books a week or 10 books that you have read for that week, make sure you celebrate. Take out your family to get some nice ice cream or ices. Buy a little cake from the supermarket or bake a cake together. Just make sure that you celebrate, and I assure you, you will get a lot more reading done than you even thought. So just to recap, the 5 tips that we have for this week that we went over were: tip number 1, make it visible. Tip number 2, make it fun. Tip number 3, make it appealing. Tip number 4, use your resources. And tip number 5, join the party. Then also I want you to remember that as you're going through all of this summer reading, if you find that your children are struggling with something, not just reading, but with their math or their science, keep us in mind. We are here to help you. Schools are closed, but we are not. We are open all year long. So we want to make sure that you remember that and that we're here to help. Okay? So have a great weekend and take care.